I'm Jessa Abary. I'm a registered nurse and I work in the Urology, Gynecology, and Plastics Unit of Vancouver General Hospital with Vancouver Coastal Health. I was born and raised in the Philippines. I stayed there until I was 27, so I moved here to Canada in 2017. In the beginning, I had a hard time adjusting to the environment and having to communicate in English, it's not my mother tongue. I've been just 1 year working here and having that time to adjust to the environment and to my coworkers, and that was really helpful to me. Having the opportunity to work in Vancouver Coastal Health, I'm not only getting exposed to the facilities and world-class healthcare, but I get to enjoy the scenic views here in Vancouver. It's been amazing for me to stay here. Having to work here in Canada made me realize how important healthcare workers are. We deal with lots of stress, we sacrifice our time away from our families, we have people's lives depending on us. There was this elderly man, he was there with his wife who was also a retired nurse, and I took care for him for 2 days. He gave me a card and he told me that thanks for the wonderful care. Having those words from my patient inspired me to just keep moving on. Here in Canada, I was able to feel the respect and the dignity that healthcare workers should be earning. Comparing from my home country, they're very traditional that nurses are just secondary to doctors and more of doctor's assistants. I think that's the biggest difference. Having to work in Vancouver Coastal Health has been an amazing opportunity for me, especially as internationally educated nurse. I was given the chance to be trained here and learn a lot. We have good management that support new grads like me. That was the biggest help that I received, having the government provide almost everything for building a family. Free healthcare, support for education, that's really helpful for families, especially for immigrants like us. I see myself working in Vancouver Coastal Health for a long time. Moving to British Columbia has been amazing for my family. Everything is accessible: school, hospital, parks, church, everything's nearby. I get to enjoy the scenic views here in Vancouver, beside the ocean and the waterfront, and then we're also nearby the mountains. It's really beautiful and mesmerizing. I feel very comfortable here. My message to the nurses who want to come to British Columbia and work here is that it will be a difficult journey, but know that there are supports for you and use those supports and you will be able to achieve your dreams.